Guys, I got prank one with the broken TV screen and I don't know how she go react. And hopefully I can see but to the TV did. I gone on the internet for search feed, so hopefully it work. See the guys, I go call her now. Mommy! Hey, come here. I something me I show you. Remember do? Something me I show you. I'm not sipping this. Sorry. What? Look on the TV. What? You not see what happened? You not see a screen look?
What time, sir?
I don't know.
Are we not watching?
Me.
And you just come, sir?
Oh, white out. You not see look?
Look here,
You have to go call daddy.
sorry, sure. What time, sir? We're not sitting here. You turn it off and turn it on? Turn it off and turn it on.
Oh, you think I like one?
You don't see if it's up with the TV on.
Even in the way that's happening.
How me feel know?
But you must get that coming front of me face, you back to me.
It's TV right now, come on. Plug it out and plug it in.
And that's the cup candy.
You know so much cup in there. You know what you play then, Jonah?
Or are you making time? So what you need to do? You are frightened people. So you're not frightened, look how much money you spend for.
They don't care about guarantee up?
Nothing.
She not guarantee.
Rocky down and go with that. Oh, see, come up now.
Yeah,
But you still have to go call daddy.
You need to tap
Sorry,
everything
I
on.
call not daddy if you want.
And then come and see it in there and then you tap everything on. Then start to say, Peter, come back now. You call you one of frightened more time out. Sure.
Peter work. Anyway, yes, I prank me prank, you know. I YouTube make up and find it. It's something.
Yeah, but what is it?
See if when they have video, you know.
How we a prank nobody.
Of course, because you didn't believe.
You never tell us how to turn it off and turn it on.
You don't find out too fast. Me did want to go longer. So guys, they find out too fast. Says a prank. So I go try prank them again. We do next. I don't know if I go prank them with next time. But hopefully my next prank better. Remember to like, share. Oh, the lady in the blue are my auntie, and the one in the pink are my mother, and the boy where you see are my brother over there. So that are my little brother. So remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.